Hey there! So, I wanted to send you a very special invitation for tomorrow. Because, what's tomorrow? Well, let's see, Tracy Forth, fancy lady of real estate. Tomorrow, well, today's Saturday, so tomorrow is Sunday. Wait for it. And that means football, as in Super Bowl Sunday. And if you don't have pregame plans, I have an open house you need to attend. Free food, lots of fun, and a tour of a 4,000 plus square foot gorgeous home in old historic Northeast St. Petersburg. That's right, 4,000 square feet, $100,000 below appraised. Oh, but did I mention free food? That's right, sponsored by my friends at Professional Mortgage Alliance. So come on out, bring your friends, bring your family, anybody that might be looking, or maybe just someone in the neighborhood that might want to know what the market conditions are in St. Petersburg. What are the values of the homes? What's your home worth? Come on out, say hello. I'd love to see you. 151 21st Avenue North, Old Historic District of St. Pete. And it's like a half mile from Crescent Lake Park, a mile from the Vinoy, close to the beaches, close to downtown St. Pete. You have to check it out. This house, gorgeous. Joanna Gaines style, eat your heart out. We'll see you tomorrow. Bring your appetite.